What up guys, Jet White here with a short little video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I just recently had a sunroof installed in my truck. I have a 2016 Titan XD SL and I've slowly converted it to the Midnight Edition. And I just recently had the sunroof installed by Sunroof Performers in Linwood, California. We went with the Webasto Hollandia 321L. It's a 19 by 34 size sunroof. Comes with the manual shade. Comes with 5 different presets. Setting 1 is actually just gonna partially open the sunroof. Setting 2 opens it up about halfway. And then you got your manual controls here with the arrows. You can fully open it. So living here in California, it's obviously we have spoiled weather. So I always wanted a sunroof, and too bad the 16 through 19s didn't offer a sunroof. So I went upon myself to see who had the best reputation of doing sunroofs, and Sunroof Performers were the guys. They've been in the business for 32 years. So I took my truck down to them. They had it done in one day. Yeah, so I'm super stoked on how it came out. Another nice little feature is if you turn off your car here, well, let me open it here so you guys can see. Once you turn off your car, truck, whatever, it actually will close on its own, so you don't leave it manually open. So I thought that was a nice little feature. They do offer different models and sunroofs, but I ended up going with this one here. So